Hi, welcome back to Finally Revealed. In this video, I want to talk about how to get a replacement Social Security card. Mine was stolen with my wallet a long time ago and I never replaced it. Well, as you know by some of the other videos that are coming out now, Real ID is a federal law that was passed in the United States that's affecting what we have to do now to renew our driver's license and what we're going to have to do to show proof of ID to get on airplanes. So since my Social Security card was stolen, I need to get a replacement. In order to get a replacement, you can go online, get the application and mail it in. I did not have that kind of time. You can't do it immediately online, such as you fill out the application and they email you a Social Security card. It will be coming in the mail either way, whether you do it by mail or do it in person. I contacted our local office and you can make an appointment to go in at a certain time or just show up. We have a computerized Get in Line app for a lot of our motor vehicle things, so I went on there and I clicked on the box that I just needed a replacement and it said the waiting time was about 10 minutes, so I went ahead and got in line on that system and drove over. I had to wait, about 5 minutes once I got there. You walk in and you put your number into the computer waiting thing. It generates a ticket and then you get in line. So the whole process took about an hour, and I brought with me my license, my driver's license. It has to be a current license. It can't be a temporary one and it can't be expired. So it has to be an actual driver's license. My address and information had not changed, so I didn't need to bring anything else like that. My passport, which shows the date of birth, and had the number already because I punched it in. To the counter, if you didn't print out the application and bring it with you to get a replacement card, they'll ask you a few questions. They'll ask you to look at the screen and swear that this is current information. They'll want your number, your Social Security number, your date of birth, your father's name, your mother's maiden name, and the place you were born. Okay? And then they will process it and you will receive it in the mail within 10 days to 2 weeks. If you ask them, they will print out a letter that says you came by and ordered the replacement and that it will come within 10 to 14 days. So that then you'll just have to wait for it. Now I have another video on renewing your driver's license in order to comply with Real ID and what you can do when you don't have your Social Security card. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to see the other videos. Check back for the Real ID videos that are coming. And share this with anyone who may benefit. Subscribe to see the other videos. And come back and see me next time. Thanks for watching.